What's up, all my affiliates? This is CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Maxbounty Training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, beating the masses with Gmass.
Are you ready?
Grind.
What's up, all my affiliates? I'm super excited to give y'all this content today. Another great video, another solution to your problems. Today we're going to be talking about a strategy I use. Somebody requested on a comment. One of my subscribers requested, after seeing the Facebook email extraction video, how do they go about marketing these emails after they extract videos? Well, this one's for you. This is a demonstration of what you do. I'm going to give you two pieces of software that you're going to need. One, I'm going to give you the link to download. The other one, you're going to have to unlock. This is a HTML inserter. It will insert your Gmail, your solo email HTML codes into your Gmail account. And we're going to also talk about a Google Chrome extension called Gmass. Now, Gmass is a Chrome extension that you can get out of the Google Chrome store online to your desktop. Now, they allow you to send up to 500 emails a day per account. So now, if you think and you expand and you use your common sense, you would have more than one account, at least 5 accounts. You can post 500 emails in each account. I mean, add that up. That's a lot of numbers. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into this demonstration. I'm going to show you what Gmass does, how powerful it is, and how it will get your emails directly in the inbox. And you can send all of these emails out all at once without having to worry about people seeing you send it to multiple people or them seeing your email list. It's going to send out these emails individually, one at a time, to each person. So let's get into it, my affiliates. All right, guys. So I'm in one of my Gmail accounts, and right now I have a blank email right here. And we're going to go to Maxbounty, and I already have an offer picked out. It's an iPhone 6. This is just a demonstration. But like I said, you've already extracted your emails from Facebook, and you're ready to start marketing, and you want a free autoresponder. Well, Gmass is where it's at. So like I said, we're in Maxbounty right now. I picked out this iPhone 6 email submission because it allows emails. So we're going to get this HTML code right here, copy it. We're going to come to this piece of software right here. It's called an HTML inserter, and we're going to save this. Now, pay attention when you're doing these these solo emails, because they do have stipulations. Like it says, allowed subject line, get in iPhone 6s. So we're going to put that in our subject line. All right. Now, I've got a list already ready. Remember, you can only send up to 500 at a time. So I'm just going to give a demonstration. I'm not going to use all 500. But we're going to take all these emails right here. We're going to get a good chunk of them. Well, we'll just take these. And we're going to put it in the recipient box. And it's going to paste all of them. Make sure all of the emails are correct. If it's got anything messed up, or if something's not spaced right or not put right, then it won't send. It'll say it has an error. So, like I said, we've got all of these recipients. And normally, when you would send these emails, they would all see all of this. So it would look like spam, so it would go to your spam box. But with Gmass, Gmass is just amazing, because you get this little button right here. And as soon as I put in my content in my description or whatever, I hit this button and Gmass goes to work like that. and it sends it out individually, and I'll show you how it goes in the send mail, where it'll send out each person individually a message, and it goes directly to their inbox up front in their primary box right here. In their primary box, they'll see it. It won't go to the spam box. It'll go directly to them. They'll see it right in front of them. But also, let's just make sure and we check our the rest of it. Allowed for names, listed names. Okay, so you're able to use their names. There's other content here if you want any more help on like picking anything and checking your links or whatever. But like I said, we're gonna go back to Gmail, and now the HTML inserter. I don't know if you watched my solo email marketing video. I'll leave a link in the description, and it'll give you a brief description on solo email marketing and how that works as well. But it's pretty much basically the same thing. I'm just showing people that don't have a autoresponder or don't have the funds to pay for an autoresponder. This is a good way to get a free autoresponder, because Gmass also, they provide follow-ups. They'll let you know who has opened your letter and give you a report on who's clicked on your stuff, so you can give a follow-up message to them. So that's pretty awesome too. But let's go back to the email right here. And so the HTML inserter that's in my extension will insert the snippet as soon as I click it. It's gonna put up this content right here. Everything that you see right here, it's gonna pop up in that box instantly. You don't have to worry about using any code. You don't have to do any coding or anything. It's just simple click and play. It's fast and easy. And like I said, if you want my HTML inserter, if you want to know where to find it, all you have to do is click the link below and unlock the video that'll show you where you can get this HTML inserter. And that's another training that I will be also showing y'all how to give free value in order to collect CPA leads with CPA offers. But be on the lookout for that video too, because that's really exciting. But this will be a perfect demonstration of that. This is kind of why I'm doing it, so that way you'll have a follow-up reason and you'll see a real live demonstration of how CPA leads work and how a link locker works, to where you can give content or some type of free value to somebody in exchange for them unlocking it, which they put offers in front of them that they have to complete in order for them to unlock the video or unlock the website. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get back on subject. That's a whole nother video. Let's go back to Gmass. So we're gonna put the HTML inserter in there, and boom, there it is right there. See that? Everything. Your email's ready to go. This is fast and easy. Like I said, you do 500 in each account. You have 5 accounts. You knock this out real quick. You build a massive email list, set them and forget them, and then reply by the masses, because everybody knows that CPA offers, it's more, you need more leads, you need more clicks and more traffic doing CPA than you would affiliates, because the simple fact that is that y'all are doing free methods, so you have to have the masses. So you gotta think, you gotta get your emails up. But anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, let me so I can just demonstrate to y'all how it works, and that it'll 21087 gmail.com, that it'll send it, and all of this will be live. All of this is going to be clickable. As soon as they click on it, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, guys. The very same thing. As soon as you click on it, they're able to click on it, and it takes them directly to your CPA offer. Remember, this is solo HTML, so therefore it's valid. You don't have to worry about any landing pages or anything like that. All you got to do is click and go. So let's go ahead and send this out in Gmass, and then you are about to send 60. Just confirm. Yes, because see, you can send up to 500, but they'll confirm that you're only sending. You can send more if you want, up to 500. And see, visually. All right, there we go. It's just send it. It's just giving you a receipt. It's scheduled and it's sending right now. Let's go to the send box. And wait, let's refresh it. Waiting for it to refresh. Refresh for me. Nah, I'm playing, guys. But anyways, I hope y'all are liking this content so far. I hope this is bringing y'all some value for those of y'all who can't really afford a good autoresponder. Autoresponder that'll let you put your affiliate link in it. That's the thing. Because, you know, I've tried MailChimp and they won't let you, they don't like affiliate offers, and then Get Response, they're cool for 30 days, but then after the 30 days, then you have to upgrade your account. And so you don't got time to be switching out accounts every time. And so see, as you see, Gmass has already started sending out these emails right here, and they're individual emails. So therefore, and then as you see, they put the names on each one of them. So it works out beautifully. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And you don't have to ever worry about them seeing your email list. It looks legit, and it goes directly to their inbox. Now I'm trying to see if the email came through for me yet, because I had sent one to me so I could show y'all just in real time that it actually does go directly to the inbox. It does not go to the spam box. 44. Look, there it is right there. Me. Gmail, right here. If you wish to no longer receive, boom, there it is right there. See, right in your face. Sent it to me, right in my face. And all I have to do is click. And when they click, it takes them to your affiliate offer, my friends. See how simple and easy that is. That's a simple, easy method that you can go out and implement right now. Takes you directly to your CPA offer. Mind you, don't forget when you're doing this, make sure that your offer says solo HTML. They allow email marketing, because if not, you're wasting your time, because you won't generate the lead unless you send them. Now this can work another way. You can send them an email and then send them to your landing page, and then use a search and a contextual link on your landing page, and they won't be able to tell where the traffic comes from. So that's a good form and way of doing that too. Let me know if y'all want any more information or videos on that, and I might make a video on that. Just drop a comment below. But pretty much that's just about it, guys. There's a quick autoresponder right there. If you've gained those emails and you're ready to go ahead and start sending emails out by the masses, make you 4 or 5 accounts. Put Gmass in your Chrome extension. And like I said, guys, if you want that HTML inserter software, unlock it. Click the link in the video below. Create and submit one of the free offers, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. It goes by region and best country and area. So you unlock it, complete it, watch the video, get the HTML inserter. Don't waste any time trying to write emails. Just go ahead and get that HTML inserter extension that I've gotten, and go to work, guys. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. This is Maxbounty Training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, beating the masses with Gmass. I'm out, y'all.